Alright, what's up YouTube? This is I call myself young infamous, but anyway, I go by young kid on YouTube. This is my very first unboxing, so bear with me. Alright. See what this is? Yeah. You probably already know what this is. There it is for you. Yep. This is the Retro 7 Marvin the Martians. Alright. It's the 30th anniversary box, so this is all in gold. Kind of nice. Little Jumpman on the side. Anyways, I know this shoe is kind of controversial. People saying it's ugly. They ain't gonna cop it. It's too much hype. But so it was an easy cop for me. You know, I just went right in there, got it. I had to get like a half size smaller than I typically do, because the girl in front of me bought the last 7, and I didn't have to. I only had to pay $140 because I did it in grade school, of course. Here it is. Let's see. The side view of it. I got it untied a little bit because I had to try it on, make sure I could fit it. Get those nice colors in there. I really like it. I could see if I was a guy, probably, I don't know if I'd like these colors too much. But I think it's really nice. I love that bottom. But as far as quality goes, yes guys, there's a lot of quality problems I see just looking at it. See that scuff marks there. This is my first like really good look at it. Get the other one out. But other than that, it feels good. I mean, leather on it feels kind of good. This nubuck feels pretty good. The paint job is sloppy at best. This side's a little bit better than the other one. See a lot of glue stains there. Look at this. Look at this. You guys see this? You see this? I don't know what that is. It's like it's got a scuff mark or something. Like somebody already had these on playing in them. But anyway, side view. Back. Side. Oh, look at the inside, guys. It's not your typical. Not the typical. Let's see. Open this one. Okay, see that? It's throughout the whole bottom inside of the shoe. It's pretty nice. Kind of like that. Anything else cool about the shoe? Not really. Well, I guess that's it. The last look at the shoe. Alright guys, thanks for bearing with me on my first unboxing video.